Alright guys, I'm going to show you how you can make videos with your iPhone for either for Instagram or Facebook literally within a few seconds. So first I want you to download an app called Quick. Okay, we will jump in there in a second. I'll show you now what it is. This is Quick. Okay, and then what I want you to do is go into Google, AliExpress and download the images that you want to use, right? Easy, 2 steps, do that, and then we'll start. So, with Quick, it is a video creator. Once you get in there, you'll be at this screen here. It is very easy. So this is if you don't have any like software online on your computer or whatever, you can do it this way. You hit the little plus symbol down the bottom, and you choose the images that you want to use. And then at the bottom, you can rearrange them. Oh, no, you can't rearrange them yet. Oh, you thought you could rearrange them. And then you can edit the text here. I'm going to do something like I can't remember what our product was. I think it was a wooden wallet. Let's say top class. Wooden. I say top class wallet. So it all fits. Right, okay. I'm gonna put okay. Oh, everything's all good here. Okay. Oh, you can add more text. So you can add, so I'm going to go top class wallet, and I'll do something like made just. Usually you would you know, think of stuff better than this. I'm just going off the top of my head here. There's some Chinese writing, but that's all right. Amazing quality. All right, I'm gonna go okay. And then there's heaps of different designs you can do, kind of a thing. So as you can see, I've now created a video within a couple of seconds, right? And you can add music if you want. So we'll do select, downloading music. I don't actually use this app much. And now we should have some music on here. You can edit that. We should have some music. Maybe what I'll do. So anyway, I'll actually click save in a second. We'll see if we've got some music. But there's all sorts of different stuff you can do here. I found one before that had a really nice effect on it. See if I can find it. It looked really nice. That's not it. Tinted. I think it might have been tinted. Yeah, this is the one. Look at this. This is nice. That tint effect at the start. This is, you probably see like they have quite a lot of this stuff on Facebook. People think it. So I'm going to click save, and now I've just created a video within a few seconds. Like that wasn't very hard at all. So once again, if you find it hard to create videos, there really is no excuse, because you can create videos, and I will just go into my photos and find it for us. What am I doing? Now I have an image. Video, sorry. So now I've created a video, and the sound isn't working. I'm not entirely sure why. but that's okay. We'll see. Now I have a video. So that's it. That's how you can create a video with your phone, guys. Very easy. I'll just see if I can fix this video thing now. See if I can edit the copy. See if I can get that music fixed. Like I said, I haven't maybe it's because I'm on silent. Maybe that would help. Alright guys, I can't figure out how to get the music to go, but I'm sure you better figure it out. Add. So I can add my own music. I haven't really used this app much. I just put it in here because I suppose it will be good to. Alright, maybe it's because I'm recording. The music might not play. That's probably why, actually, because I'm recording with the phone. So, that's it guys. Quick and easy. Download the app called Quick, and you can make videos on the fly with your iPhone within a few minutes. Like probably not even a minute you could make a video. So, that's it guys, and just get your images from AliExpress. Nice and easy, nice and simple, no drama. That's how you can make videos for your Facebook and your Instagram ads.